Let's show you real quick how I did my Jamaican Rasta pasta. Guys, this is my second time making Rasta pasta. Here how I do it. I cut up my bell pepper, onion, and some chopped garlic, and I stir fry it with a little butter. Let it get color, and then I'm gonna add a little Maggi all-purpose and some jerk seasoning. Yes, I get the Alfredo, Parmesan cheese, well, cheddar cheese, whichever. Now I had the Alfredo sauce here, the heavy cream, you know. But if you want to use the Alfredo or you want to use heavy cream, either way. Now I have some crab meats right here. Yes, this is some crab meats, and I'm going to add the shrimp. I do some shrimp, but I use some jerk sauce on the shrimp and a little Maggi all purpose and a tubs of salt.